before I turned my camera on, I dropped my makeup brushes all over the floor. And there's a lot. Oh yeah, yummy. Hey Beauts, ItsnotCaroline here, and welcome back to another makeup video. Now, the lighting is shit. I know. I broke my ring light. I ordered a new one, it's on its way, but something came in the post today that I had to, review, and I had to do a makeup look on because I wanted to use it so badly that I thought I'd sit down at my computer desk, use my soft light, and that's just what we'll have to put up with. But this came today. This came today. This came today. Jawbreaker. The Jawbreaker collection from Jeffree Star is out. I fell in love with this palette the moment I saw it online, and I was like, I must have this. I must buy this and have this in my life and add it to my many collections of palettes. I need to stop buying palettes, but it's so beautiful. It looks like a Jawbreaker, like the pattern and shit, and it has this, like, you can hear that. It has this mirrored kind of textured 3D feel to it. Now the Unicart is white, but then the actual palette is pink, and it has the same feel. I love that. Did you hear? I love aesthetically pleasing things, and this is very aesthetically pleasing to my eyes. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So this cost me £54 off of Beauty Bay, which is the only place that you can kind of get like Jeffree Star stuff in England unless you go to a shop. So online, if you want to buy like English prices and stuff, Beauty Bay is a good place to go. It doesn't do all the Jeffree Star stuff, but it does, like, oh my god, I'm looking at it. I shouldn't be. Okay, so it's obviously, vegan and cruelty free like all of his stuff is. I'm just really excited to delve in because the colours are fucking beautiful. Are you ready for this? Oh my god, look! Focus in and look at it. You're not focused. It's making me angry how unfocused you are. Oh, and it has a mirror. You can see yourself. Hi, how are you? I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it, and I don't know what colour to go for today. I'm going to do a look. So I'm not going to swatch all of these because I can't be bothered. You'll see how pigmented they are when I put them on the face. There are some beautiful like shimmers in here. Like, I don't know if you can like fucking see the shims, but there's some proper shims. There's a shim here and a shim there. Shimmy shammy. The names. Virgin. It's a perfect palette for me. Cute. Fuck. Yes! My favourite colour is fuck already. Soaked, raspberry, cotton candy, lemon drop, bite me, cherry wet. I like the name of that one. Tasty, cone, delicious. Listen here. All I know is it's got a fucking mirror. I live for that. Do you know how hard it is to find palettes with mirrors? Very. So I've done all of my face apart from the eyeshadow. So we are gonna do the eyeshadow. You're gonna come along for the journey, and I'm really fucking excited. I just want to swatch this Jawbreaker because I want it as like, okay, I see you. You're out of focus again, but I see you. I want to put it here. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna get our big old Morphe brush and go in with that Jawbreaker and just put it up on the brow bone. You can't. I'm so sorry the lighting is so bad, but I really wanted to wear this palette today. It literally came yesterday. I came home from work and it was sitting on my doorstep, and I was like, I'm using that tomorrow. And then I thought, well, I have to vlog it, otherwise what's the point? I mean, there is some shim there. Can you see? It's powerful shit. I'm gonna go for Virgin and add a little bit of Virgin in there as well, just on the lid. Oh, such a virgin. The lighting's bad. You know what? Oh god. I might move you. I think I'm gonna move you. Careful now. Careful now. That's better. I mean, you're too far. Okay. That's better. See, now you can see me kind of better, and the light's not so bad. I look a bit like a clown. I think it's because I have no eyeshadow on. If I don't have eyeshadow on, it looks really weird. Okay, so we've gone with Jawbreaker on the brow bone, which I'm enjoying a lot. I need to burp. I don't know what colours to go for. There's so much to choose from. There's so little time that I don't know what to go for. I'm gonna go for Good Morning, which is next to Virgin, which is like the kind of stone, kind of purpley coloured sort of thing. We'll see what that's saying up on the lid. I mean, oh yeah. I mean, if I wasn't going into work, I'd have one eye a different colour from the other because, I like to test out the colours, but I am going into work and I don't want to look like a fucking clown. I just want to see what all of them are like. This cotton candy one. This is the, oh, there's a bit of fallout on that, I'm not gonna lie. There's a little bit. but it's very pretty. What the fuck? I might add that. I might add it on the bottom today. I might have a little underling. Oh, do you know what? We're gonna go for fuck because I just love the name of it, and I want to see. So fuck's like the kind of pinky coral kind of colour. We're gonna put that in the crease. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm deceased. I'm deceased at how nice. I love this pink colour. It's so like a nude pink. Yeah, it's like a natural pink. I'm loving it. Such a coral. I could wear this on a regs. Don't scratch. Just pat. Okay, I'm gonna go for Cherry Wet, which is like a darker version of that pink. It's very dark actually, to be fair. So we're just gonna put that there. Oh my god. I just realised as well, looking at the palette, so some of his palettes like Blood Sugar had different symbols. These ones are all stars, all the Jeffree Star stars, which I enjoy, but sometimes I like a little sneaky symbol. Like he could have done a little Jawbreaker like at the bottom of one of them, like on Jawbreaker. But it's fine. That is not even an issue at all. It's just something that I aesthetically enjoy, but it's all good. Oh my god. Beautiful. Cherry Wet and fuck work beautifully together. Gagging. I'm gagged at this palette. I'm honestly such a sucker for palettes. I need to just not. Like, it took everything in me, everything in my being not to buy the Pride palette from Morphe because it's exactly the same as the 55B. There's a few different colours, but it's literally exactly the same. But because I'm all for Pride and it's beautiful and rainbow, I was like, I really, really, really want it. And it took everything in me not to buy that palette. Like, my whole being shrunk. But then as soon as this one dropped, as soon as this one came out, I was like, I'm buying that. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a little bit of purple in. So Gumdrop is next to fuck. It's a little purple. We're just going to... Oh! Just going to add it in there. Oh my... I'm living for these colours. Oh my god. Beautiful. Oh, but I want to try... I'm going to swatch this one for you too. This is... And what? This is like a... Oh, it looks like cherry, like cherry, just looks like cherry. I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying everything in this palette. Oh my god, I have to swatch this one too. Bite Me is the purple like shim. Oh! Let's just swat orange juice while we're here as well, which is... honestly... I don't even know what to say to that one. I really want to put it on my eye. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it, it's going on. It's going on as the shimmery inner corner. I'm doing it. Oh my god. I have to see what it looks like on the eyeball. Okay. Stop freaking out. Stop freaking out. You're okay. I'm not okay. I'm really freaking out. I'm so happy right now, you have no idea. Oh my god, look how pretty my eyelids are. Fuck me in the arse. Don't do that, that's disgusting. I mean, fuck, right? Look at that orange on there. That is the creme de la creme. There's a little bit of fallout, but there is not a lot. The creme de la creme a la Edgar. I have to swatch this one because I don't have a colour like this in any of the palettes I own. The cute, which is like a turquoise, it looks like a Tiffany green. I have to swatch, I have to know. Oh, I have no space left on my hand. There it is. Oh. Tiffany green. Right, I need a colour for the inner and then the lid. I'm gonna go all out. Apparently, work is gonna be like, the fuck is wrong with your face? Right, I bought a new palette and I'm really excited about all the colours and the prospects. Snack, which is another shimmer shammer one, just in this corner, just so I can like, because pinks and orange work so well together. Oh, that's fucking nice as well. Look at that. The two golds in my Blood Sugar palette, which is, I can't remember the name, Glistening and something else I think, sting my eyes, which is weird because no other makeup ever has ever stung my eyes. I just feel like a lot of it gets into my eye and I'm like, fuck, because I don't want to do it underneath. And it's the only eyeshadow I own. Even the whole palette is fine, just those two pans sting my eyes. And I deal with the pain because fuck it. Okay, so we've got that one underneath. I'm still gonna put... Am I? I am. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put cotton candy underneath here. Because I what? Oh, that one stings too. Fuck me. I think I dip too much in, and I think the fallout just goes into my eye, and then it's like, ah, blinding. But yeah, some of the shimmers on Jeffree Star's palettes sting me, and this one is. Cotton Candy is stinging my eyeballs. And again, I'm dealing with the pain because look at the fucking pigment. Oh my god, I'm in love with this palette so much. I'm gonna get Cherry Wet again and just kind of go in a little bit on the waterline so it's a bit darker. Because I don't like it to be too light on the bottom. I mean, what are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? Are you gagged? Are you gagged? Because I am. Fucking gagged by this look. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks so good. And a little bit orange down here. Ah! Stings my eyes. I can't. God. Why you sting? Okay, so I have nothing else to do. I think this is a good look. I'm gonna put some mascara on. But I want to swatch some other things for you quickly while we're still here. Cone looks nice. Cone looks like a nice nudie kind of colour. And I appreciate that. That is nice. I'm gonna just run that. Of course, it's here. You can't even see it. It's so similar to my skin tone, which is good because it's nice when I'm doing a nude look, and I enjoy that. I'm gonna swatch Delicious, which is the very, very dark blue at the bottom. Oh, that's very dark. I don't know when I'd ever use that, but sometimes I like a smoky look. I need to clean my hand. I'm gonna do mascara, and then I'll be back, and then we're gonna talk about it more than I already have, because clearly I love talking about it. So, bye. Okay, so I've done mascara. I used Jeffree Star's favourite, which is the Benefit Roller Lash one. Let's review this palette because I'm gagging to review it. I'm in love with this palette. Look. My eyes match the fucking thing. I'm obsessed with it already. I've had it one day. I love the feel of it. I love the look of it. I love everything about it. The colours are so unique and original. I love there's a fucking mirror in it. It's so simple, but there's a mirror in the palette. And rarely any of my palettes have mirrors in. And I'm gagging. All the colours are so pigmented and so pretty, and you can make so many combinations. That's what I like about a palette. I love when you get like a nude palette or like a yellows, and you know you can make a yellow eye look. But when you have a palette where you think I can make fucking loads of combinations out of that, that is when it's a good day, because I never would have thought of putting these colours together unless I'd have seen them in front of me on a palette. So yeah, I'm in love with this. And anybody who knows me knows that I'm going to put this back in the Unicart, and it is going to stay pristine, because I like to keep all my stuff in their Unicarts because they must stay nice. I don't know what to say apart from this palette is beautiful and I'm in love with it. And let's do the slow-mo shit and then do the outro, and then you can fuck off and do whatever you need to do with your life. Okay, are we good? Great. Anyway, thanks so much for coming and seeing me today. I really appreciate it. And push all those lovely little buttons at the bottom. Go buy that palette. Go buy that palette. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in the next one. Bye, 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 bye. I need to go wash my hand. High five! Woo!